so steep, you guys. This is so fucking steep.
Yeah.
Kind of freaking
see?
out.
All right, so in just over 2 hours, we have to get this guy through that door, which requires taking him apart at this pivot and I think removing a seat. I haven't finished the sand tires yet. Boy, and then my brain shuts down. Of course, the first task is to find the damn needle.
In a haystack!
Or wherever I left it. Yep. Clever. Good job.
It's hard to get all the pinholes.
Yeah. We can do that a couple of times, though.
And make it good and heavy. Ow! Fuck! Just ripped a hole in me. How about this?
Wow.
Look, I got blood on it. That's good luck.
All right.
Sweet! Gonna test it out. Is it waterproof?
Wow.
What do you think?
And of course, now we find out we have to modify the trailer a little bit. Got to move these guys so the wheels sit down on the trailer. There's no screw gun there. There it is. Little bits. These bits. That thing works better with the battery.
Let's just use the red one and then we'll be kind of done.
To make all this even more fun, I'm currently battling a strep throat and ear infection. So right now, honey, cayenne, and garlic is my friend.
That guy's metal detector about a mile away. He can see you, hear you. He can see you.
That's really stunning. Yep. Brilliant.
With that shock of white hair.
Flattened out threads now.
Come on, we'll just wear them down to the nubs and they'll be fine.
How's it going for you there?
Okay. I'm gonna just pour this out. Well, they're looking for a teammate.
Oh, this is much lower gear than it was before.
All right, we're tackling the dunes. I know, she's smart.
Oh, that's a lot of work.
All right, I'm chipping in now, guys.
Oh, I can feel it.
Yeah, here she comes. Watch out. I got your power right here, baby. Good job, Jeremy. That's your first hill.
Oh, it was great. I loved it.
Woo!
Nico's a little bit, she didn't help as much as I thought she was going to.
Yeah.
Well, I like this. I like this a lot. So we're going over there.
The little kids are walking outside.
We're going to that valley.
Bob has a Deadman's drop thing he wants to do.
Okay.
My little snapper thing's coming off. So it's starting to skew off a little bit.
It needs to be able to be tightened. That's so loose already.
I know.
Yep. Yeah, but you want it huge because look, it's gonna. Yeah, but you need the. Remember, it's bending over, Bob. This is perfect. It feels perfect.
But if it destroys the
It
foam,
won't. Watch.
it's not.
Watch. This feels really nice. Once it's lined up,
That's pro style,
yeah.
Dave.
feels
Pro
really
style.
nice.
That feels nice.
It'll
nice.
roll off of that. Though.
That driftwood is totally gonna stay in place.
It'll totally stay in place. It was really easy to drive on.
It's gonna not. We're not gonna be able to tell at all.
Well, it's in the sand. It'll press down in the sand.
Yeah, it's totally fine. Just lock that sucker in there. How come it's always my wheel that fails?
I don't know.
Get this back.
That's right there.
Oh, we'll just go over there.
Just find a way.
Holy Christmas.
That's actually, you go straight ahead.
Yeah.
Right there and back up.
Yeah. And then we'll bring the truck around to load it up.
How the fuck are we gonna get down this? That's terrifying.
So the other thing,
It's not
Pretty
so
terrifying.
we can also. There's
no, we
most
gotta
of it.
take it
We gotta
straight
go
on.
straight. Okay. Straight.
Yeah, straight on.
We
Till
don't want to
sunrise.
flip this thing over. It's riding high.
Right? You can see it.
With the sand tires, it's finally up.
It's finally up high enough. Don't tell me about ground clearance. Okay. Camera's on.
This is so steep, you guys. This is so fucking steep.
Yeah.
Kind
Can
of
you
freaking
see?
out.
You are kind of freaking out.
Remember, we're going right down there, right? Here. Here we come. It's okay. Gotta let us go. Oh my God. Gotta let it go, 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 let it go.
Steep.
Oh my golly! Oh!
Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Good, you're good, you're good. See,
Woo!
You guys were absolutely fine. There was nothing wrong whatsoever.
You weren't even braking.
No, I
was
wasn't.
trying to keep the front straight so you went to the right place. All right.
Yeah,
Was that crazy?
that probably looked.
Completely under control.
Yeah.
Ready to race.
It's never too late. Pump up the tire.
It's never too late. Maybe it's never too early.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, that was awesome. Ma'am, that was awesome.